Welcome guys to the cut page and how to import your media into your project. Of course, when you're working on a video project, you want to import your video clips and maybe some graphics, some images and so on. To do that, from within the cut page, you can import your media from the media pool. You have two options here, and of course you have shortcuts. The first option is import media, or you can right click and go to import media, and the shortcut is Ctrl-I on Windows and Command-I on the Mac. This option is very nice if you want to import a number of videos, a limited number of videos, or if you want to import videos into a folder. And then the problem, it does not import folders. You notice here, I cannot import a folder. If I select Startup, I click Open, it will open the folder, and then I have to select all the videos here and click Open again. Now here is asking you if you want to set your project settings according to the video you have imported. Most of the time you want to click Change to have consistency. Now notice how it has imported your videos into the master bin or the master folder. You notice? And they are actually okay if you have only these videos, but if you want to get organized, this option is not good. I do not recommend it at least. I'm gonna delete these videos. I selected them all and I will remove them and then go to the second option, which is import media folder. Now here you are able to import folders. You notice there is select folder here. If I go on top and select media files, I can say select folder. Now, of course, it has brought in the main folder, which is media files. If you double click on it, you notice I have the other folders. That's quite organized. I can double click on Startup. I know exactly what are the videos here. Also, I can navigate, you notice here under media pool, and decide which one I want to see now or select more stuff, walk on the roof, whatever you like. I'll put it back to Startup. You click out, you have your videos. Now, this is the proper way to import your media into DaVinci Resolve, and I hope you will use it later on. In the next lecture, we are going to see how you are going to preview your media.